So let's talk about the universities that we have here in Southern Nevada because F UNR. And so let's start with the premier university in Nevada.
CSN.
UNLV.
Oh, dang it. CSN has more people.
It does have more people.
All right.
As a proud UNLV second generation graduate.
Aren't you like on the board?
I am on the board. I'm
already bored. Got him.
Wow.
Here's that. I was waiting for that moment. It's been a while. You've been talking a lot of shit lately.
I have. It's okay. So UNLV, located right in the heart of Las Vegas. It's been around since 1957.
Nice. That's old.
Actually, I forgot this fact, which it started as Nevada Southern was the name.
Nevada Southern.
Nevada Southern was the original name of UNLV.
Okay.
Obviously, it's expanded, but the footprint remains. They are going to be leaping over Maryland here pretty soon.
Leaping over? Like, what's that place?